pipe froze overnight, maybe up in the attic, and now you're stuck dealing with the aftermath, water damage, repairs, and that nagging question, is there another leak somewhere that I haven't found yet? You already know, this is something you never want to experience again. In this video, I'll show you how to detect frozen pipes, find leaks as soon as they start, and stop hidden leaks without even being home. With devices like FlowLogic, Moen Flo, and Fin Plus, they send you freeze alerts. You have battery backup. You have lots more options that will keep your home protected. And if you're not familiar with these systems, this is a water monitor and shutoff system that goes in line on your water main just beyond the shutoff. And if they detect a leak, there's a valve inside that will turn off the water to your house. When it comes to not only detecting a freeze, but doing something about it, Fin Plus, which with Kohler has been rebranded to H2Wise Plus, that integrates with their Kohler smart faucets. H2Wise Plus will say that there is pressure building up in the line. Because ice crystals form and your pipes are freezing, the pressure goes up. It sends that alert to the Connect app, and then the Connect app will tell the faucet to run some water at regular intervals. Moen Flo years ago had said that they were going to integrate with the U by Moen line, which is now the smart water faucets. However, I also found out this morning that the smart water line is no longer being made. So whatever they have is all they have, and that integration is not going to happen. FlowLogic is its own independent system. They do not integrate with any faucets at this time. Again, it's not Fin Plus, it's H2Wise Plus. And I really cannot find any information on this when it comes to the smart faucets. They don't advertise this feature, but I called into customer service and that is what they said is currently active, especially with the Connect app that just got updated in this last month. So Kohler, let's talk. This is an underrated feature. However, you need power for these systems to stay active. And one of the reasons why homeowners chose Flo by Moen after the Texas freeze in 2021 was because it had a battery backup option. And that battery backup lasted up to 4 days, which was then recalled about a year or so later. And there's a new version. This one only lasts up to 4 hours. And it's really only indoor rated. So I won't be using it outside here in the desert, but it came with the ultimate bundle and I really wanted to check it out. Now FlowLogic comes with a universal battery, the exact same kind that you put on your garage door opener. So it's easily replaced. It is relatively cheap and it's going to last you up to 7 days, 1 week of protection with the FlowLogic system. Again, I'm not putting that outside. It's too hot here. Unfortunately, Fin Plus and H2Wise Plus do not have a battery backup system at this time. Another huge selling feature is the ability to shut any of these devices off remotely wherever you are in the world with the phone app. So rather than calling your neighbor and saying, hey, please go find my water main shut off and turn it off, and then maybe go look around for some leaks, you can do all of that remotely at your fingertips, where you can turn the water off. And if you're interested to see, hey, is anything leaking right now? You can see the water usage. You can also check out the history on the nightly checks. So both Moen Flo and Fin Plus run a nightly check so that they detect those small pinhole leaks. Leaks start small quite often before they become bigger problems. How this works is the valve turns off, some time elapses, and then the system checks to see what is the pressure drop. And if it drops enough, it will send you an alert, a text message, a notification from the app, an email. You will know when you have a problem forming, and you can look at the history of those nightly checks. So before you turn the water off, you can look at the checks and have that peace of mind. You can also run manual checks yourself. And all of these systems protect you against larger leaks that happen outside of your normal usage. If you have your washing machine line go out or one of the lines behind a toilet, because we never change those often enough, this keeps your home protected, and it will not only let you know, hey, there's something going on, is this you? And even if you don't respond to it within some set amount of time, like 5 minutes, it will shut the water off to your house without you even knowing. That's peace of mind. And this is something that a water pressure gauge or a water meter can't do. Now, all of this comes at a cost, which is A lot more expensive than a water pressure gauge, but a lot less expensive than if you actually have a leak that's hidden in your walls. And if you've had that happen before, under slab leak here, you know how much it is for repairs, both the cost, the materials, the hassle in your home. This is nothing in comparison to that. There are lots of different costs associated with installing any one of these or anything else that's out there. And I have a whole video dedicated to that, so you're not surprised by those hidden costs. I'll see you there.